TAI T929 Attack 2 is Turkey's next-generation heavy attack helicopter developed by Turkish Aerospace Industries, and it represents a major leap forward in the country's ambition to become a global leader in advanced military aviation technology. Designed as a more powerful and capable successor to earlier platforms like the T129, the Attack 2 is built to operate in the most demanding combat environments. The TAI T929 Attack 2 is Turkey's next-generation heavy attack helicopter developed by Turkish Aerospace Industries, and it represents a major leap forward in the country's ambition to become a global leader in advanced military aviation technology. Designed as a more powerful and capable successor to earlier platforms like the T129, the Attack 2 is built to operate in the most demanding combat environments, combining high firepower, advanced avionics, and improved survivability into a single, highly versatile aircraft. One of the defining features of the Attack 2 is its heavy-class design, which allows it to carry a larger payload of weapons and equipment compared to lighter attack helicopters, enabling it to perform a wide range of missions including close air support, anti-tank warfare, armed reconnaissance, and battlefield escort. The helicopter is expected to be equipped with a sophisticated suite of sensors and targeting systems, including advanced electro-optical and infrared cameras, laser designation systems, and radar capabilities that allow it to detect, track, and engage targets with high precision even in low visibility conditions such as nighttime or adverse weather. The Airbus helicopters H140, expected to enter service around 2028, represents a significant step forward in the evolution of light twin-engine rotorcraft, particularly in the field of emergency medical services and rescue operations, where speed, safety, and reliability are absolutely critical. Designed by Airbus Helicopters, the H140 is positioned to bridge the gap between smaller utility helicopters and larger, more complex platforms, offering a balanced combination of performance, efficiency, and advanced technology. One of the most notable aspects of the H140 is its modern avionics suite, which is expected to feature a highly integrated digital cockpit with large multifunction displays, enhanced flight automation, and advanced navigation systems that improve situational awareness for pilots, especially in challenging environments such as night operations, bad weather, or densely populated urban areas. These avionics systems are likely to include cutting-edge autopilot capabilities, terrain awareness and warning systems, and possibly even elements of assisted or semi-autonomous flight, all aimed at reducing pilot workload and increasing overall mission safety. In addition to its avionics, the helicopter's improved rotor design plays a crucial role in its performance, as engineers focus on optimizing blade aerodynamics to reduce noise, increase lift efficiency, and enhance stability during hover and low-speed maneuvers, key requirements for medical evacuation missions where precision landings in confined spaces are often necessary. The rotor system is also expected to contribute to smoother flight characteristics, which is particularly important when transporting patients, as reduced vibration levels can significantly improve comfort and medical outcomes during transit. Furthermore, the H140 is being developed with a strong emphasis on operational efficiency, including lower fuel consumption and reduced maintenance requirements, making it a cost-effective option for hospitals, emergency services, and private operators.
Hi, my name's Owen. I'm the HEMS promoter with Airbus Helicopters. We're here at Verticon 2025 with the new H140. Let's take a quick look. Our helionics suite is familiar in most of our helicopters. It's also got a new bird strike resistant windshield and improved visibility throughout the cockpit, which is a design feature proved to optimize safety.
Well, we operate in just about every environment here in the United States that you can think of, from ocean sides to hot and high environments. And I think in all environments, the H-140 will be a superior aircraft.
The Leonardo AW149, expected to enter service in the late 20s, around 2027-2030, depending on operator deliveries, is a modern multi-role military helicopter developed by Leonardo.
Lima Hotel 49er, strength 5. ETA figures 5, picking up 7 ties packs plus casualty. Over.
The Leonardo AW149, expected to enter service in the 20s, around 2027-2030, depending on production and delivery schedules, is a highly advanced, multi-role military helicopter developed by Leonardo, designed to meet the modern operational demands of armed forces across the world. It represents a new generation of battlefield helicopters that combine flexibility, survivability, and advanced technology into a single platform capable of performing a wide variety of missions. At its core, the AW149 is built as a medium-lift helicopter, meaning it strikes a balance between payload capacity and operational agility, allowing it to transport troops, equipment, or supplies efficiently while still maintaining excellent maneuverability. One of its most important features is its large and adaptable cabin, which can accommodate a significant number of fully equipped soldiers or be quickly reconfigured for specialized roles such as medical evacuation, search and rescue, or command and control operations. This modularity makes the AW149 extremely valuable in dynamic combat environments where mission requirements can change rapidly. Another key strength of the AW149 lies in its advanced avionics and cockpit design. The helicopter features a fully digital glass cockpit with large multifunction displays that provide pilots with real-time information about flight conditions, navigation, and mission status. These systems are integrated with advanced flight management and autopilot capabilities, which significantly reduce pilot workload and improve safety during complex missions. The avionics suite is also designed to support operations in all weather conditions, both day and night, and is compatible with night vision goggles, allowing crews to operate effectively even in low visibility environments. This level of technological sophistication ensures that pilots have enhanced situational awareness, which is critical for mission success and safety. Survivability is another major focus in the design of the AW149, as it is intended to operate in potentially hostile environments. From 2030 and beyond, the world will begin to see a new class of advanced helicopters under major programs like NATO Next Generation, Rotorcraft capability, and Future Vertical Lift, which are designed to replace many of today's aging military helicopters with faster, smarter, and more versatile aircraft. These next-generation helicopters will not just be upgrades, they will represent a complete transformation in how rotorcraft are designed and used in modern warfare. One of the biggest changes will be speed, as traditional helicopters are usually limited to around 200 and 5,300 kilometers per hour, but NGRC and FVL aircraft are expected to reach speeds of 400 km per hour or more, thanks to advanced designs like compound helicopters and tiltrotor systems that combine the vertical takeoff ability of a helicopter with the forward speed of an airplane.